everyone! Good afternoon na pala. It's already 1 p.m. and I just woke up kasi. Kaya nawala sa oras. Yeah, kasi nag-duty ako. I wasn't expecting that I will have my duty last night. Sobrang pagod na pagod ako, guys. I didn't vlog yesterday kasi naglinis ako dito sa kwarto ng as in linis. And then, I washed 2 laundry baskets of laundry. So, yun. 2 baskets of laundry. Ayan. Sobrang pagod ako. Ang sakit ng likod ko. So, ayun. But now, I need to pack. Saan yung luggage ko? I need to pack because we will go to Baguio later on. Tapos, kasama ko si Mac, tsaka si Bebe. Kaya, kailangan kong magdala ng towel ko. Kasi wala daw towel dun sa apartment. So, tomorrow I will have my, what you call this? Final coaching. Mag-join ako ng final coaching but I will not have my exam yet. I will not take my exam yet. Yun. Nakiki-join lang ako ng final coaching for an additional knowledge regarding the subject matter that I need to take. And then, later on siguro, if we still have time, that's why I need to pack earlier. Kasi, if we still have time, we will go to Christmas Village. Kasi yun yung ano talaga namin, yun yung sadya, pangalawang sadya namin. Pagpuntang Baguio, kasi si Bebe, di ba, mahilig siya sa Christmas. That's why we're decorating Christmas sa bahay. Kasi, sobrang hilig niya sa Christmas. So, ayun guys. I need to pack now. So, I'll talk to you. Hey guys, so we're now ready to go on to Baguio City. So, I just prepared my things. And then, yung tawag ni Mac, namimiss ko yung call niya. So, these are the things that I will be bringing. My bag. I got that from Parisian. And then, my water bottle. My very important water bottle. Nawala ko yung isang ganyan ko. Yung bagong-bago pa man din yung naiwan ko sa bus. And then, my luggage. Very dirty luggage. Yan, ang laman niyan is yung lapi ko, mga chargers, and then makeup, damit. Tapos diapers ni Bebe and damit din niya. So, yeah. So, we're gonna go to Baguio and yun, mag-Christmas Village kami. Hopefully, makapunta. Hopefully, hindi umuulan. Kasi guys, pag ganitong mga buwan sa Baguio, laging umuulan. Every day, every hapon, umuulan yan. So, hopefully, hindi siya umuulan ngayon. Yeah, just remember the days when I'm still reviewing in Baguio City. Doon kasi ako nag-review for the NLE. Yeah. In December noon, nung nag-board exam ako. December 18, I think. So, yun lang. It brings back a lot of memory to go there during this time of the year. So, yeah. I will just update you guys later pag nandun na kami. Nakikisakay ata kami sa pinsan ni Mac. Buti na lang, hindi kami magko-commute. So, pero pag uwi, magko-commute pa rin kami. So, yeah guys. Got puto bongbong, then binatog, and then shawarma. Hey guys, nandito kami sa Burnham Park and gusto namin kainin yung mga food na binili namin. Punta doon na kayo dyan banda sa may parang ano man tawag dyan, parang field, ganun.
Ayaw ka, pakita mo yung content.
Madaming food stand dyan. Parang December 1 yun eh, kaya ngayon sila na field. So, hanggang hanggang February or January pa yan. So, kapag may vacation time kayo, nandito, punta kayo dito sa Sobrang. Ano yan? Ano yan, ate? Ano yan? Ano yan? Wow! Woo! What's that?
usher in Baguio sa Christmas in
Ayun,
Baguio
big na Christmas tree. Oh, wow. Wasan yung big na Christmas tree.
Ayan. At mamayang 6:30
Say hi.
will be the world famous SNU.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season. 1, opening ng lahat ng ng Christmas nila dito sa Baguio. So, you should have come here. Hindi namin alam ganito pala schedule nila. Hindi namin alam na ganito pala schedule. Hi, ate!
Para siya mapulis.
Todo outfit na. Ganito pala schedule. Parang ka ng lala, oh. Tingnan mo. Look at yourself.
Annual pala yung COH.
Paano tayo pupuntang SM? Ang daming tao. Sobra. Sorry. Kasi ngayon, lantern parade ng SLU. So, ang daming tao papuntang SM. Grabe. Hey guys, we're here in Christmas Village together with... Wow! What is in the Christmas Village? Oh, Princess Holly Castle! So,
Ilang taon sinasabihan tayo na magpakabait tayo para may gift tayo kay Santa. Pero mo.
Hi! Hindi na picture, may video! Ay, video ba yan? I-upload natin! Hey guys, come here in Baguio Country Club dito sa my Christmas Village and enjoy the season! Saya-saya!